Hey guys, I'm Sophie and I'm going to be showing you how to do a simple festival hair look. So firstly, I'm just going to take some dry shampoo and just work it into my hair just to give it that like texture and a bit of grip. So the next thing I'm going to do is just get a comb and find my center parting. So part the hair down the middle. It doesn't have to be perfect. So I'm just going to take the front part of my hair into a triangle section. So just make sure that's ready like that, parted, and then split it into 3. And I'm just going to start doing a Dutch braid, taking the plait under, not over, is the trick. And then when I've done that a few times, just going to start adding the hair, but only from the top section, not from the bottom section. And I'm going to take like that, take it under, and then just hold it in your left hand, and you can just tease out the plait to make it look less structured and a bit more fun. Okay, so when you've done your Dutch braid, just I'd say past your ear, you're just gonna get the section that you've just braided against your head, take a bobby pin and just secure. Okay, so I've just finished the left-hand side. I'm now gonna take the hair on the right-hand side and do exactly the same. Okay, so I've got some hair gel in this pot here, and this is the fun bit. I'm gonna add my glitter. So I've got a pink and a silver. You just wanna make sure that you have an even amount of both colors. So I've done my pink, here's silver. Okay, so when it's all mixed together, I'm just gonna add it down the parting of my hair and then brush it out. So you can have fun with this. You can do it as much or as little as you like. So I've just added a little bit more gel to my mixture just because the glitter is biodegradable. So yeah, I'm just getting used to the texture of it. And my last stage, I'm just gonna get this fixing spray for the glitter so that it doesn't move anywhere when I'm dancing around. Thank you so much for watching, guys. I really hope that you have an amazing festival season. And if you enjoyed this video, do make sure that you hit subscribe to our channel at All Things Hair.